Hello, and in this video we'll walk through the field drawing tools available inside Traction. These are both available for new fields and to edit existing field boundaries. So on the left-hand side you have all the tools. And the first one is full screen mode. And this will make your browser go into full screen mode so you have more real estate to view. The plus and minus will change the zoom on the map. And then you can also click and drag to adjust its positioning. The first drawing tool is a rectangle tool. You click for your first point and you click for your second point and it will draw a rectangle. For the circle tool, you click for the center and then move your cursor out to make the radius. And then the third drawing tool allows you to create a polygon with various nodes, and you close the polygon by clicking on your first node again. These edit tools, the first one is to adjust the nodes like I'm doing here on my free polygon. The cut tool allows you to cut out a shape from one of your existing shapes. Again, you close it by clicking on the first node, like I did here. The move tool allows you to adjust where that boundary currently sits, so if you need to move it, you can do so. And then the erase tool does just that as soon as you click on one of the field boundaries. The two final buttons, the first is Shapefile Upload. So if you have shapefiles, you can go ahead and upload that here. And then the second tool is toggling the field names on and off. If you have multiple fields in your view or that are already inside your Traction account, you can toggle the labels on and off. And that's it. Thank you for watching.